the floor.
Hello, mayong hapon sa tanan. So mag-English lang ako. Okay. So for us, our group is for work. Number one was what does work mean in the parable? So when we had our discussion with each other, we thought about work as our calling. So calling thou. And number two, before I read the questions, it talks about the sons. So the when we read the story, no, there is the father asked his two sons, and the first son, his response was, "I will not go," but then he goes and work in the vineyard in the later part. But for the second son, he said, I will go, but he did not work in the vineyard. So the question is, which of the sons did the will of the father? So it's self explanatory. It was the first son. And number three, what does co laborers with God mean? What does co laborer with God means? So we also reflected that as the first son represent those who are the harlots, the publicans, those you think are individuals na hindi sila that active in the church, but yet it is because of God, no? It's the power of God that transforms them, that enables them to be able to work in the vineyard and be converted. And for the and on the other side, uh, in our human perspective, we think that some individuals, religious leaders, are like they are. We don't know pala na they're not fully converted in heart, and even though they're professing that they're gonna work in the vineyard, but in the end, they do not. So we cannot really judge a person, but with the help of God, we people can be transformed, no? And in the vineyard, as we work as a church, it's not only us, no. Our human powers cannot be able to influence other people, but it's only through the work of the Holy Spirit. And for the fourth question, why does Jesus be the type of son we should aim to be? As I reflected on the story, the first and the second son does not really truly represent Christ, because Christ is the perfect and the ideal son. That when God the Father told him to go to the earth and to save the people, he listened and he did it. So, as a reflection to us, we must be also, we should listen to the will of the Father and also be uh, prompt and fast to obey His will. That's all po.